You'll remember the Supreme Court decided in April that lethal injection was constitutional. Since then, states, including Texas, have been working hard to clear the backlog. That's bad news for Jeffrey Wood. Websites show collages of Jeffrey Wood's family and supporters begging for his life. He's scheduled to die Thursday in connection with the 1996 shooting of a convenience store clerk. But no one is claiming he pulled the trigger.
Someone else did the murder, not him, and he was in the car outside. It's hard to say what was in his mind, but clearly he wasn't a participant. He didn't make this happen.
Wood is convicted under a little-known state law where accomplices in felonies can face the death penalty. Outside the Supreme Court today, people had mixed opinions about the rule.
Maybe a nice prison term, but death, I think that may be a bit extreme.
If you help somebody kill somebody, wouldn't that make you equally responsible in their death? I mean, if you were that person's parent, do you think that parent would care less about you as someone who helped than the person that actually did it?
Richard Dieter with the Death Penalty Information Center says more than 24 states have similar laws, but Texas takes it to the extreme.
You're looking for the worst of the worst. Who is most culpable? Yes, the accomplice is guilty, but should they get the death penalty? And that's where Texas's law seems to go beyond the norm.
Governor Rick Perry could still issue a stay of execution for Wood, but today his office tells me he hasn't decided. He did stop one execution under the same rule about a year ago.
I think there is a chance the governor could act, although he needs a recommendation from his Board of Pardons.
If Governor Perry decides not to stay Thursday's execution, Wood would be the 9th person in 30 years to be put to death under the rule who didn't commit murder. In Washington, Megan Hughes, KFOX News at 9.